Good. Hinga. Exhale. Loosen up a bit. Nice. How was that? Yeah? Next, here. Hello, Rock Nation! I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Andito tayo sa clinic at binisita tayo ni
Josh.
Josh. So si Josh ay taga saan?
I'm from Iloilo.
Wow! Hello sa mga taga Iloilo dyan. Actually, way back 2011 ata, 2013 or something else. No? Nagpunta kami sa Iloilo. Pero hindi pa ako PT noon. Okay? Pero, mayroong community kasi. Pero meron kaming tinuluyan dyan sa Iloilo. I don't know kung kilala nyo pa ako. Pero hello! Ngayon, tayo ay magkakaroon ng physical examination. At titignan natin yung status ni Josh, yung katawan niya, kung ano na yung nangyayari ngayon. Since ilang taong ka na?
30 years
30 years old. So, for the longest time na nabubuhay tayo, okay? Ito na yung titignan natin ngayon kung ano na yung status mo. Alright? Ano ba ang pinaka-concern mo sa katawan?
As of now, lower back pain and then ankle po.
Sa ankle. Okay. So, yun yung pinaka-nangyayari sa iyo. Okay? Let's check.
Sige
Confirm natin. Posture up. Yan. Sige. O, ngayon, i-check ko kung ano yung pinaka-normal na posture mo dapat. Push. Yan. Sige pa. Push pa. Like this. Yan. O, ito rin. Medyo nakaumbok ito. See? Pag nakaganyan.
Okay. Nangangalay ako.
Saan? Lower?
Likod ko.
Upper or gitna?
Gitna po.
Gitna.
Oo.
So, hindi komportable.
Tama.
Okay? Ayan. So, nakukuha ba ito saan? Sa unconsciously slouching like
Slouching.
this. Okay, ano ba ang work natin ngayon? More on computer ba?
More computer.
Yun. So, lalo na kapag mas matagal na nagkakaroon ng work, ay focus mode.
Sa computer lang.
Slouching
Nakaupo
talaga.
lang 8
Okay?
hours.
Sige, try. Tingin sa left. Yun. Sige. O, ito ha. Tingnan natin. This is the normal range of motion. Dapat yung chin mo ay dandito. Sige, go. Sige pa. Sige pa. O, pag pinilit, kamusta?
Ano na? Stiff na.
Stiff na yung kanan. O, sige, kabila. Go. O, see? O, mas nakakalingon ka ng maayos dito. Sige, go. Yan. O, see? Anything.
Stiff din ng
mas
konti.
easy ng konti.
Mas easy.
Pero compared doon ay mas stiff yung kanang shoulders. Okay? Look up. Uy, sige. This one. Medyo short din. Ang normal is about 45 degrees. Tingnan ko, ha? Yan. Kamusta?
Medyo mahirap.
Saka matigas ng konti. So, ayusin natin din yan. Since you are younger, kailangan natin ng mas maayos na movement. Ayan. Okay? Gagawin natin katulad nung sa atin. Okay? Look down. Sige. Yan. Kasi, yan. Kamusta?
Hirap sa gitna.
That's one.
Dito.
Yan. So, i-release natin
Sabi
ang tama yan. Para maging better na yung lifestyle mo at yung movement mo. Okay? Kasi kapag hindi, unti-unti madidevelop yung mga deformation, especially sa iyong spine. Okay? So, lalo na, sa shoutout sa mga batch ko dyan at saka sa mga kaedad ko dyan. Okay? O, dapat tayo ay mas maayos pa rin ang movement kasi mas bata pa tayo. Okay? O, ayusin natin ito. Legs. Like this. Dikit sa tenga. Yan. O, kamusta ang shoulders?
Ledge.
Kamusta dito?
Okay lang.
Okay. O, try. Lagpas sa tenga. Yan. Kamusta?
Hirap.
Mahirap. O, down. Okay? Medyo nakakapagod at mabigat?
Dito.
Sige. Ngayon, check natin yung lumbar mo o yung lower back. O, yan yung concern mo, di ba? Ganto ka. Yan. Ikot.
Dito.
Yan. O, see? Ang normal range of motion is about here. How's it?
Okay lang, pero hindi ko siya ma-reach ng
Yes.
sakto.
Okay. Try. Kabila. Go. Oh, mas short ito.
Oo.
Sige, tignan ko ha. Masikip ng konti. Kamusta?
Ano lang dito.
Tight.
Tight.
At least, ay napupunta pa natin dun sa pinaka-normal range of motion. So, which indicates your spine and disc ay very healthy pa naman. Okay? Sige, stand up. Right there. Next, tignan natin. Lower back and back bend, go. Kung ano yung kaya.
Ito.
Oh, yan. Sige, up. Saan banda? Yun. So, buo hanggang sa baba.
Dito.
Hmm.
Ito.
Okay. Harap ka sa akin. Forward bend. Try to reach your foot. Okay.
Dito
Kamusta?
lang yung maximum.
Tignan ko naman yung buong spine mo. Up ng konti. Sige. Oh, very narrow here. But we have a lot of misalignments or multiple misalignments. Medyo nakataas ito ng konti. Sa right vertebrae ng ating lumbar spine. When I press this one, how's this?
Hindi naman po kayo.
Ayos lang. Good. Ito.
Okay lang.
Okay, good. Ito, last.
Hindi naman siya.
Okay, so development lang ng ating curve, which is the malscoliosis na tinatawag, pero hindi pa naman sobrang nakakabahala. Up ng konti. Yan, so mostly here, sa kanan. Mataas ito ng konti. So right here, medyo pumupunta na mostly of your spine, papunta ng kanan. Last bit. Kaya?
Kaya.
Good. Exhale, exhale. This one.
One leg.
One leg. Yan. O, kamusta? Mahingalay o mabigat?
Alay.
Ngalay.
pa.
Ngalay dito o
Ah.
doon?
Dito.
Dito. O, sige, kabila. Go. Ngalay, bigat.
Dito mabigat.
Mabigat din.
Ah.
Okay. Sige. Ngayon, ang uunahin natin ay stretching and releasing of your iliac crest. Okay? O, when I stretch, kamusta ang pakiramdam? Nice lang?
Okay siya po.
Kaya?
Apo.
Kaya. Hinga again. Exhale. Loosen up a bit. Yun. Right there. Oh, flexible pa naman. Kailangan lang ng konting stretch. Pwede pang mag-yulo. Mag-gymnast. Ready. Last one. Hinga. Exhale. Loosen up our shoulders. That's good. That's good. Oh, this is very tight naman. Okay? Nice. Last one. Hinga. Exhale again. This is very tight. Okay. So now, hawak tayo sa bed. Dalawang kamay. Okay? So what we're going to do is release all of your muscles, abductor muscles, inner coccyx, lower sacrum, and upper sacrum. Okay? Para ma-push natin yun nandito sa lower lumbar 5, 4, and S1 or sacrum 1. Magkakaroon ng maayos na spacing in between. Okay? So, ang gagawin, diretso ng tuhod. Diretso tuhod.
Ay, sorry.
Yan, diretso tuhod. Good. Ngayon, pigil. Pigil. Sige pa. Pigil pa. Lakas pa. Sige, squeeze mo yan. Sige, pigil pa. Lakas pa. Sige pa. Good. Sige. Lakas pa. Pigil. I-squeeze mo. Good, good, good.
Ay. Perfect.
Wow. Dami nun ha? Okay. Kamusta yun? Saan mo siya naramdaman? More on inner?
Yes, dyan
upper?
po.
Or
Inner
dito
po.
sa side?
More inner.
More on inner.
Yes po.
Sige, recover, recover. Next with your ribs. So, since sabi ko ay medyo papunta yung vertebrae mo dito sa ating right side. So, we have to push your ribs lower hanggang sa upper. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Huwag magtira ng hangin sa tiyan. Good. A little. Hinga. Exhale down. Good. Last two. Down. Yun. Last one. Hinga. Down. Exhale. Hard. Got. Yan. Ready. Hinga. Going down. A little. Go. Down. Nice. Last two. Down. Oh, wala masyado. Last one. Oh, very clear. Next. Yun. Since medyo mataas yung kanan, we have to push it to the right there. Good. Hinga. Exhale. Loosen up a bit. Nice. Yun. How was that? Kaya? Next here, upper side. Hinga again. Exhale down. Yun. See? Any pain? Ayos lang. Junction upper thoracic. T number 2. Thoracic number 2 right there. I'll hold and I'll push papunta sa kanan. Yan. Right through there. Loosen up a bit. Yan. Opening. Ooh. Kamusta? Dami ah. Right. Uy. Nice one. Hinga. Lower down. That's good. Nice. Kamusta yun? Let's see again. Up, one leg. Uy,
Uy.
kamusta yan?
Mas okay.
Mas lighter?
Oo.
Ooh, nice. Kabila, go.
Mas
See?
lighter din.
Very good. At least hindi na siya
Oo.
sobrang baba at hindi na sobrang nagbablock doon at saka doon sa inner hip. Ngayon, tayo ay uupo para dito sa side na ito. Sige. Hawak ako sa elbow. Loosen up your shoulders. Yan. Yeah, right there. Hinga. Exhale. Ooh, nice one. Okay, upper. Let's see. Hinga again. Exhale, yuko. Oh, this is very good naman. Next, tayo sa batok. Okay na yung kamay. Yun, hawak ako sa batok. Yan, ibaba ang siko. Squeeze it. Yan, ipit. Ipit mo ko. Yan. Good. Hinga. Exhale. This is tight. Medyo malalim. O, magdadala sa atin dyan is yung traction. Okay? Sige. Yan. Sige, diretso yung tuhod. Yan. See? Medyo shorter yung left. Okay? Yan. Right there. See? Your knees. Your knees is going to straight. Yan. Sige. Good. Your ankle is this. Ano? Saka yung hindi masyado pantay. No, sabi ko ay ang opening or curve ay papunta ng kanan, 'di ba? Yung ating most of our lumbar spine. So yung ating vertebrae sa kanan ay nag-open. Yung left naman ay nagkakaroon ng compression. Okay? Kapag ka nagkaganon, nagko-compress din yung muscle. To the point na napupul niyan down sa lower extremity. Kaya nagiging shorter ito. Okay? Sige, so you need to release it para mas maging pantay. That's good. First, metatarsals. Loosen up. This is clear. Lower. This is good. Nice. Navicular bone. That's good. Next with your cuboid. This is good. Next with your cuboid. Loosen up. Yan. Pushing and pulling. Okay, this is good. Next with your heel. Yeah, connected with your inner hip. Turning in. Yan. Pulling and turning in. Nice. See? Excited ka na sa kabila? Let's see. That's good. Perfect dun ah. Loosen up here. This one. When I press, how's this?
Masakit yan.
Loosen up.
Opo. Oh! Yun, masakit yun.
Dito?
Opo.
Or dito banda?
Sa gitna po.
Sa gitna.
Opo.
Okay. Navicular bone. Yes. See? Kaya?
Kaya
Yun
naman.
yung pumipigil doon sa upper. How's this now?
Okay.
Kaya na?
Kaya naman.
Good. Okay, talos bone tayo. How's this one?
Masakit yan.
Sakit to?
Oo.
Saan banda yun? Ito?
Dito.
Okay.
Connected siya dito. Parang ganun.
So yeah. Kano kasakit? From 1 to 10?
Mga 8 siguro.
Mataas yun.
Masakit siya.
Sige. Let's see here. Pulling of your cuboid. Loosen up your legs. Yeah, right there. Right positioning. That's good. Next, with your heel. I'll hold ng mas maayos para ma-loose natin ng mas maayos. Pulling and twist, turn in. Loosen up. Ooh!
Dami.
Yeah. Sobrang dami yan. So, sobrang lakas din. Yun yung pinaka nagkakaroon ng compression. I don't know kung yung sudden stop na syempre pahabol ka ng pahabol palagi.
Oo.
going friction sa
Ang
ating
nag-i-stop.
glider.
Tama po.
Yes, sa ating glider joint. Yun yung pinaka nangyayari. Okay? So let's see. Tingnan natin kung may pain pa.
Sige po.
Ready?
May konting
Konti
pain
pa?
pa po.
This one.
Ayan. Ayun.
Pag tinataas ko yung heel mo.
Masakit siya.
Sige.
Oo.
Ngayon, ito naman. Forward.
Hindi, okay lang siya.
Okay lang
Pag
to.
forward,
So,
opo.
kanina kasi kapag naka-flat na yun, tapos
Ayan.
pina-forward natin, masakit.
Oo.
Masakit pa.
May konti lang siya. Hindi na siya ganun ka, ano.
Yeah, tibial head and fibula head sa ating knee. Loosen up here. Yeah. See? Naapektuhan din yan kapag ka merong problema sa ankle natin. Why? This is our tibia and fibula bone. This is our tibialis muscles. Once na merong problema dito, it goes up here. Deformation or nagiging pronated, misaligned. Yan, unti-unting nade-develop yung pagkaikot hanggang sa ma-misalign at na-damage na rin ito.
Opo.
Okay? Next. Knee. Okay, clear. Knees and your groin muscles like that. Nice one. Since ito yung mas shorter, unahin natin. Sa ating sacroiliac joint. Ako sa siko, itaas ang tuhod. Ayan, ikot. Susot ng konti. Sige pa. Ayan, ikot. This one. Okay. Yan. Rest your... Kamusta pag naikot?
Medyo stiff.
Let's see. Loosen up a bit. Ito yung sacroiliac joint. Okay? I'll fold this one. Yan. Right there. Hinga. Exhale. That's good. Hinga again. That's nice. Hinga. The last one here. Good. Oh, this is very tight. Good. Okay. This is very normal motion and pivot rotation. Like that. Okay. Kaya? Ngayon, taas mo yung dalawang tuhod. Yan. So, I'll go here. Kamusta ito pagka pinapush ko?
Mas,
Lower.
parang okay siya. Oo.
Hindi siya sobrang sikip, hindi rin sobrang...
Hindi naman ganun.
That's good. At least, hindi naman sumasakit.
Hindi po.
Very good. So, yun yung indication na hindi na sobrang nagkakaroon ng pulling down there.
Papa.
Okay.
Papa.
Baba.
Ah,
Sige. Yan.
sorry.
Kamay tayo. What happened?
Ba't clicking yun? Hindi ko alam yun ah.
Eh? Maraming tumutunog.
Oo nga po.
Which case development ang misaligned with our carpal bones. Loosen up. Yan. Here. Metacarpal. Nice. Loosen up here. That's good. O, ito na tayo. Yan.
Ooh!
Nice one. Wala. Dito tayo sa ilalim, sa baba. Yan. Pulling, pulling, pulling. Yun o. Yan. A little.
Oh.
Last one sa gitna. A little then. And then, nice. Right here. I'll loosen up your elbow. I'll pull, turning in. Okay, that's good. Pulling, turning out. This is clear. Nice. Elbow connected with your ulna and radius right there. Clear. Upper, lower tendon. That's good. Nice one. That's clear. Let's see. That's good. Metacarpal. This is way better kaysa sa kabila. Loosen up. Ito. Last one here. I'll push, 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 push. Yun. Nice. Yun. Right there. Nice one.
Dami.
Okay. Loosen up. Let's see your elbow. Lower. Upper. Clear. Kaya? Dito tayo sa leg. Cervical spine na. Sige. Let's see muna kung asan yung tight. Kung asang side. Ito, may konti. Sige, right positioning with your thoracic 3 and 4, cervical 3 and 4 column right there. Right positioning. I'll push pag ganun. Loosen up. Right there. Woo! Nice one. Kaya? Next. With your mas baba natin kasi ito mas tight ito, di ba?
Apa.
Kanina. Manas na lumilingon ka sa left. Right through there. Yun, right there. Loosen up. A little. Okay, medyo tight yung konti sa baba. Pero, ito yan. Traction. Up. Down. Let's see. Yan. So, what we're going to do is about pulling. Bite your teeth. Kagat. Yan. Yung natural lang. Okay? Hihinga sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. So, checking first muna, no? Sa pulling. Yan, right there. And then, bouncing is a preparation of the spine para mag-move ito. At maayos yung releasing natin. Hinga ulit. Checking first, pulling. Medyo tight yung kanan at saka yung baba ng kaliwa. Pupwesto ko lang ng maayos. Right through there. Okay? Hinga. Exhale sa ilong. Bouncing. Yan. Okay? Hinga again. Exhale. Drop your shoulders. Nice one. Okay? Kita mo siya naramdaman.
Actually dito. Sa lower, ano ba tawag dito? Malapit sa batok.
Sa ating
Sa gitna.
cervical spine.
Pa. Yan,
Sa lower
dyan pa.
cervical spine. Any ngalay or pain?
Wala namang pain.
Sa muscles, anything.
Okay lang.
Alert. So, mas i-release natin ng maayos yung traps mo mamaya. Okay? Kasi mas tight yan kapag lumilingon ka sa left. Okay? So now, we have to do a proper movement of your trap. So mula dyan sa kamay mo, taas mo ang kamay. Yan, hanggang dito. Okay? Pag umabot na dito, iikot ang kamay, ibaba yung palad, facing down. Okay? And all the way down lang.
Okay.
Ibabalik lang doon. Okay. Ready. Going up. Sige.
Sige.
And ikot. Facing down. Yeah. That's good. Sige pa. All the way down. That's the... Sige. Good. Baba. Okay. Again. Going up. Mas ramdam mo pag nag-move. Sige pa. All the way down. Ikot. Sige. All the way down. Sige. Down, 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 down. Yun. Right there. Okay. Again. Okay. Ready. Going up. At least wala naman tayo masyadong nakikita yung significance or yung tinatawag natin ng mga muscle knots and knuckle muscles. Going down all the way. Right there. Okay? Okay, this time, labanan mo naman ako. Close fist. Yan. Tapos, tigasan mo yung shoulder mo. Labanan mo lang yung pagpindot ko.
Sige.
Okay? Ready. Going up. Sige. Same movement. Up. Sige, tigas pa to. Yan. Apa. Yan. Sige. Down, ikot. That's nice. Sige. All the way down. Sige, go. Sige, one by one lang. Kamusta yun?
Okay.
Nice lang? Sige. Ready. Gawin na. Sige. Ikot. That's nice. Last two. Going up. Ikot. Last one. Going up. Ikot. Nice one. Okay. Oops. Let's see again. Relax na yung kamay. Kung anong difference. Ready? Going up. Sige pa. Ikot. How was this?
Tapos, lagyan lang siya.
Mas lighter? Good. Last one. Go. Kompletuhin ng movement. Going up. Okay. All the way down. Kamusta ngayon?
Sorry.
Mas good. Mas smoother. Next with your levator muscle sa batok. Baba lang. After this, we have to do a stretching. Let's see this one. Ready? How's this one? Sige, baba lang yung ulo. Yan. Para mas relax yung muscles. Kamusta yun?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Sakit?
Medyo.
Medyo. Okay. Ready? Yan. So, what we're doing is more about releasing the levator. Para saan? Para at least magkaroon ng mas maayos na oxygen yung iyong brain. Once na i-release natin ito ng tama. Like this. Last one. Hinga. Exhale. That's good. Okay. Let's see the other side. Baka mainggit eh. Yeah. So, since wala naman sobrang tightness with the left, tingnan pa rin natin. Para pantay ang pakiramdam. Ready? Let's see. How's this?
Okay naman.
Good. Okay. Movement. Same. Ready? Going up. Yeah. Ikot. Yeah. Right there. Ready? Last two. Up. Yeah. Ikot. Yeah. Last one now. Ikot. Yan. Okay, 2 beses lang. Engage your muscles. Close fist. Ready. Going up. Good. Ikot. Nice one. Going up. Ikot. That's nice. That's nice. Okay? Relax na ito. Go. Last one up. Ikot. How is it now?
Sorry.
Good. Okay? At least makaka-recover na yan ng maayos when you're resting. Down. Ready? How's this one?
Medyo masakit.
Same feeling sa kabila, hindi?
Same.
Last 3. Last 2. Kaya?
Okay.
Go. 2 and 1. Okay. Next one right there. Ready. Going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kaya? Last one. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's good. Other side. Going. 5, 4. Last one. Okay. Sideward. So. Okay, last one here. Last one, go. 3, 4, and 5. That's good. How was it so far? Ayan. Anong difference ng katawan mo ngayon?
Tingin ko mas stretchable.
How's the lower?
Flexible na eh.
Yung lower back mo, anong pakiramdam? Anong difference ng pakiramdam? Yung lower.
Parang ano lang. Gaan.
Magaan.
Oo.
Ano ba yung nararamdaman mo kanina bago tayo mag-start? Sa lower back mo?
Ano siya?
Compress, parang
stiff.
ganun?
Oo, parang yun. Yun nga, compress.
Mhm.
Compress.
Okay. So, next natin, rotator cuff. Sit down. Yan. Kanina, pini-straight kita ng ganito. Anong pakiramdam?
Hindi na siya makalay.
Ngayon,
Okay na.
ayos na.
Parang,
Mas komportable.
Mas
Kahit
komportable.
pa paano. Good. Ngayon, dito tayo sa rotator. I'll hold. I'll push. Mapigilan mo ako. Ganun.
Sige po.
Sige. Ready, go. Tulak mo ako. Yan. Sige, go. Lakas. That's good. Firm and strong. Kabila. Ready. Tulak. That's good. Next, acromion clavicular jaw. Loosen up na yan.
hindi.
Sige, yuko ang ulo. Turning in. A little. Right there. See? Ang last natin ay sa tenga. Sa ears, ang nire-release natin ay yung ating ear pressure para magkaroon ng better hearing senses, makarecover yung ating temple muscles to prevent migraines and headaches or even sinusitis. Okay? Like this. Listen up. Kailan ka last na bingon?
The first time na talaga yan.
Sige, kabila. Right there. Good one. Last one. Nice. And then, the sensitive part of your ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's good. So, hello again, Rock Nation, and we're done with
Josh.
Josh.
Yeah.
Oh, Josh, kamusta ang pinaka-experience ng ating therapy?
Sobrang sulit, guys.
Mhm.
Nakakagaan ng pakiramdam.
Mhm.
As expected naman ako. So,
Mhm.
thank you. At least kahit pa paano, no? Sobrang layo ko pa naman.
Yes.
From Iloilo, di ba?
Yes, thank you so much.
Dinayo ko si
Ayan.
Sir. Si Coach pala.
Tignan natin kung ano yung nangyari. Oh, posture up again. Yan, tignan ko ha.
Apa.
Go. Okay. Yan. O, kamusta ito?
Ayan. Kanina nangalay ako niyan.
Mhm.
So, hindi na siya.
Hindi siya komportable.
Legit, guys, Sobrang legit.
Ngayon, yung paglingon mo kanina ay hindi sobrang normal. Tignan natin. Tingin sa left. Yan.
Uy.
Tignan ko ha kung nasaan yung sukat. Ready, go. Your chin. How was it? Kamusta
Okay.
yung hatak doon sa kabila?
Walang
Very good.
Apa.
Kabila. Too easy?
Ooh.
Diba? Mas further at mas normal yung paglingon. Tingala. Sige, posture up. Like that. 45 degrees extension. Kamusta ngayon?
Kanina nahihirapan ako.
Good.
Ngayon. Okay.
Very good. Yoko. Kanina, may konting hatak.
Apa.
Kamusta ngayon?
Ayan, mas okay siya.
Good. Mas normal yung stretch. Tignan natin yung shoulders mo. Ready? Going up. Dikit sa tenga.
Dito.
Yan. O, kamusta ngayon?
Hindi siya
Lighter?
tight. Hindi na
Good.
siya tight.
Lagpas sa tenga. Yan. Anong pakiramdam? Kanina, medyo
Mas
masikip.
maraya ko ngayon.
Very
Compared kanina.
Down. Tignan natin yung rotation. Ready? Ikot. Yun. See? This is almost like this. Yan na yun. How was it? So
Okay siya.
easy? Nakakapag-rotate.
Kanina, sobrang hirap ako.
Kapila. Good one. Okay? Same here. Yan. Kamusta?
Okay siya. Okay.
Mas good. Tignan natin. Stand up. This is the moment of truth, guys. Sige, chinelas ka na.
Ay.
Yan.
Okay.
Tignan natin yung pagliyad niya, no? Tignan. Okay. This one. Ready? Kung ano yung kaya, ha?
Okay siya.
Up. Kamusta? Nakakapagliyad ka, and then how's the feeling?
Compare kanina, stiff eh. Nahirapan ako.
Very good. At least ngayon, mas
Mas
malayo. Ngayon, dito ka. Check natin kung maaabot mo yung toes mo. Doon ka.
Sige.
Harap ka sa amin.
Ay.
Usog ka ng konti. Ready?
Moment of truth.
Ready,
sige,
and go. Yeah. Almost. Good. Kamusta yung sikip sa
Compare
ating
kanina,
hamstring?
parang ganito lang.
Yes.
Ay, no.
Kaya na.
Oo.
You can work on it. Okay? Ang pinaka-magic about this one, hold your hamstrings.
Okay.
Yan. Cross. Hold it. And then ipit. Yeah, ipit.
So, dapat
Yan.
iipit mo
Tapos, and pull. 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 Yan. Okay, down. 3 times. Again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go, last one. Pulling. 2, and 1. Okay. Loosen up. Shake it. Yeah. Ready? Go. How was it so far?
Sakto.
Good. Kailangan mong gawin yan. And work on it para at least hindi na bumalik sa ganitong problema at hindi na sobrang sumikip. Kailangan mong i-reverse kasi the more nagiging slouch tayo, guys, okay, the more na nahahatak yung lower lateral muscles natin. So, kailangan mo siyang i-prevent doing like this one. Every time. Okay? And then, like this. Okay? Pwede rin namang cobra pose. Yung nakadapa, like this. Yan.
Tapos,
Like up. Okay? Yan. Okay? Every time, pwede mo yung gawin para mas maging better yan. Yung lower lumbar at hindi na masikip palagi. Okay. Kamusta?
all goods na pa.
At least, tignan natin pala yung paa mo. Last na ito.
Ay, sige pa.
Tignan natin,
Dito.
ha? Yan, yan, yan. O, lapat mo yung iyong paa. Go forward. Kamusta ngayon?
Mas naging okay.
Mas
Mas okay siya compare kanina.
mas nabababa mo. Kanina
Aba.
may sakit. Kamusta ngayon?
Kanina, sobrang sakit.
Okay.
Pag ano,
At
yan.
least. Okay. O, paano mo ba siya mai-improve? Ganito lang. Okay? Ang kailangan natin palakasin is yung ating tibialis muscles. Okay? At saka yung calf. And then, the quads. Bend and tiptoe. Up.
Okay.
Yan. Bend
Then-
and tiptoe up. Yan.
Ulit-ulit lang ba yun?
Yes. So, tiptoe up. Yan. Go. Up. Ganyan.
Okay.
Okay? At least, kailangan mo yung gawin para mas maging malakas, lalo na yung ankle mo, at yung tibialis muscles na nagko-control both joints. Okay?
Sige po.
Happy ka naman.
Yes. Sobrang happy.
Satisfied ka naman.
Satisfied po.
Yun. All the way from Iloilo. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank
Meron
you.
ka bang gustong
Thank you,
batiin?
Coach.
Or,
Yung
sabihin?
mga teammates ko na lang
Mhm.
sa Sports Hub. Yan.
Thank you,
Shoutout sa
guys.
inyo.
Shoutout sa inyo. Sa Sports Hub,
Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Sports Hub, Badminton, Iloilo.
Thank you so much. See you, guys. Alright,
Thank you.
picture tayo.
Sige po.